Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Addictive Site Builder, which launched on the 18th of June at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from Igor Burban, which, as the title suggests, is a very addictive product that will create multiple new WordPress sites for you. Those sites will be auto-generated with viral content that will produce automatic daily free traffic for you, which you can then monetize with ads and affiliate links. Now, there have been a few products out there like this year, but this one from Igor is actually one of the best ones that I've seen, and you will get totally addicted to it. You will find that you want to just keep building more and more of these sites, which is actually very easy to do. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Addictive Site Builder from the link immediately underneath this review video. You'll be able to get them if you click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because as the title suggests, they are actually custom bonuses, which means you won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Addictive Site Builder, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and indeed way more useful for you to succeed with Addictive Site Builder than what anyone else is offering. So what actually is Addictive Site Builder? Well, as I said, it's a way to build viral addictive sites with automated content and daily traffic, even if you've never built a site before. Now, I often give away a bonus with this sort of product, which is a great tutorial from Jono Armstrong about how to build a WordPress site from scratch. But I don't actually need to do it this time, because inside you have got a great tutorial from Igor himself on how to create your own site from scratch. So if you like the idea of this product and the idea of being able to create multiple websites, but you don't currently know how to use WordPress, you don't have a WordPress site, you don't know how to install a WordPress plugin, that'd be good, wouldn't it? A WordPress plugin, then don't worry, because everything is included for you with the back office training that you get. So absolutely everything you need to get started is included. Now, on this sales page, you'll get a chance to watch this sales video. So this is the only place that you can watch this.
I thought my wife was going to kill me.
So do watch this sales video. This is completely newbie friendly, so even if you've never made $1 online before, in fact, Igor advertises this product as being a product for people that are currently earning less than $5,000 a month online. Yeah, so it's specifically intended for people that aren't even intermediate marketers, let alone super affiliates. So it is for people that are, you know, struggling to get to 4 figures a month online. And so if this is you, and I'm guessing that for quite a few people watching this video, this will be you, then this product is for you. As Igor said, it isn't really targeted at intermediate or super affiliate marketers. So those that are already earning 5,000 plus online probably have more advanced or quicker ways to make their money than with Addictive Site Builder. But for those who are looking to make a steady 3-figure daily income, 4-figure monthly income, then this will absolutely help you to get up the ladder and achieve these aims. So say goodbye to feeling frustrated and lost, and hello to your new 100% automated site. You can build a complete site with content so good that people get addicted to it. You can automatically send people to your site from Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can place your banner ads and relevant affiliate products in strategic spots on your site that will generate the most amount of views and clicks, and this is the bread and butter of any website. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page, folks, but we will come back to it briefly. But I just want to show you what these custom bonuses are if you pick up Addictive Site Builder from the link underneath. So when you come over to this page, the first thing that you'll see is this video here. This is just confirmation about what this is. It's a site building WordPress plugin. It's a beautiful WordPress theme. It auto generates content for you from top viral sources. You don't have to produce any content yourself. Fully automated traffic, and you can use it on unlimited sites. Now, this demo video here will show you how easy it is to set a site up.
I'm going to show you how you can build a completely automated site with content so good that people get addicted and keep scrolling, clicking your ads and affiliate links. First, let me show you a couple of examples of what the end result looks. Here I have...
I'll let you watch that in your own time, but you absolutely should watch this demo video of a site being created. So these are the custom bonuses if you pick up Addictive Site Builder from my link. So the first thing I'm going to include is this social media masterclass. This is a brand new bonus from me. This is only the second time that I've offered this. And this is an 1.5 hour long masterclass on all types of social media. So for any of you that are struggling with your social media marketing, this will give you a leg up to be able to get better results. The second thing I'm going to include is this ultimate blog masterclass. Whether you already have WordPress sites or whether you are going to be creating your first ones using this method, it's good to know the sort of things that are working in 2019 content wise. So this 1.5 hour masterclass is going to show you exactly how to choose content that will really get you results. The strength of any website is only as good as the traffic that's being sent to it. Now, obviously, you are given free traffic generation methods with Addictive, the Addictive product, but this 1.5 hour masterclass will show you, if you want to do your own optimization, how you can get even better traffic results to your sites. This quick hack or tutorial from John O. Armstrong shows you that how you can get unique content for your pages without writing a word. Now, obviously, using the Addictive Site Builder is one way that you can get loads of free content. This is just another way to do it manually. And I'm also going to include this, which is another 2019 bonus. This is 4 free website traffic super hacks that will get you a flood of traffic to any site that you want to send traffic to. And again, these are all methods that are tested to work in 2019. So I hope you can see here, folks, that there's an awful lot of value that I've added with these custom bonuses. And to get them, you just need to click on any of the green buttons. So let's head back over to the sales page. So very easy to get started with this product, folks. You just choose what your site is going to be about. So you might choose affiliate marketing, make money online, pets, health and fitness, alternative medicine, whatever you want to choose, and your site will be populated with content. You pick how often to make new posts. You can, once you choose a campaign, it immediately starts looking for the hottest content and making new posts on your site. Then you monetize it with ads and affiliate products. You can use strategic ad spots to paste your banner code from any network like AdWords or Amazon affiliate programs and earn instant commission from clicks and affiliate sales. And then you just rinse and repeat that as many times as you want. You can build unlimited viral sites in any niche. It's as simple as that, folks. And there's another example of that site builder. There's Igor, the programmer and affiliate maker. So there are 2 options. You'd be mad to take the single option because it's $19.95. You can only use it on one site. For another $1, $20.95, you can use it on unlimited sites. Yeah, so $20.95 is the front end price for this, folks. Let's have a quick look at the upsells before we wrap this up. So the first upsell is Addictive Site Builder Plus, and that is going to cost you $37. That includes developers' rights, web push notifications, animated share buttons, and a lead generating opt-in form. So again, check out the sales video for full details, but that's a brief overview for you. The next upsell is a done for you service where Igor and the team will set up the entire automated website for you. You don't have to do anything, and that is $67. The third upsell is a WordPress logo maker. This is a plugin that will help you to create stunning logos in just one click. That's $27. Quite like the sound of that. The next upsell is a Logo Maker Plus, which will give you a bigger selection of professionally designed logos. That one's $37. And finally, your reseller license is $297 if you want to sell it to your customers and keep 100% of the profits. So that is the funnel, folks. I certainly recommend that you pick up the Plus version and the logo maker. They look very good upsells. And if you're someone that really wants a hands-off approach, or you're completely sort of tech phobic and you just want someone to build the thing for you and let it make money, then go for the done for you service. So that is pretty much it, folks. As I said, just to remind you, if you want to pick up all of these custom bonuses, you will get them by clicking any of these green buttons here before the timer reaches 0. That will bring you back through to the sales page. Click on buy now, and that will then bring you back into your back office area at Warrior Plus. I know it said JV Zoo on that button, but it's actually Warrior Plus. Click on the green button there to access your copy of Addictive Site Builder, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses, and that's all there is to it, folks. So very good product. This builds very nice sites. When you have a look at them in the demo area, you'll see they're really attractive theme. There's some of the other site builders that do similar things. The actual sites that they create aren't, I would say, not the most visually attractive. They certainly are with this one, folks, and that is the big winner. So I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5 rating on the Elite Tigers Group scale, and all that remains then is for me to thank you for listening and watching to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Addictive Site Builder.